What's up, my millionaires, billionaires, trillionaires that's entering this crypto space? I welcome you to this channel. You are that 1%. You are that investor that holds the greatest digital asset, XRP. Now, Brad Garlinghouse is pretty pissed, which I am too. He's tired of the SEC going back and forth talking about Ethereum is not a security. Then if Ethereum is not a security, XRP is not a security as well. Okay, so will lack of clarity just get bigger now? In his affidavit in court, him and the SEC's director of the Division of Corporation Finance went back on the non-security status of Ethereum given to the currency in 2018. He recently stated in court that the agency has not taken any position or expressed a view on Ethereum's status. Garlinghouse believes this move has put the crypto market on a path that leads far from clarity. The founder of TechCrunch, Michael Arrington, also commented, saying that as Gensler has demanded more power for the SEC, including control over crypto exchanges, all he can see in the near future in this regard is more muddy water. Now, with this more muddy water, as what he says, the market's going to go down. It's going to retrace. It's going to retrace, but in a good, healthy retracement. But you have to understand is while the market is going down, you buy in more. I'm not a financial advisor. They don't want you to hold XRP. XRP is like the hot pancakes that's going right now. Everyone in this world may not know about XRP, but you do. You know what's going on. So, as what you see, Garlinghouse seeks documents from Binance to support XRP, which the judge, Sarah Natburn, had thrown a green light that he's allowed to do that. Now, I'm going to play a video of Brad Garlinghouse explaining what's going on with the whole Ethereum and the SEC.
I would add is the other elephant in the room, I think, is the lack of clarity that has gone on in this industry. And for years, I think the crypto industry has asked for that clarity, and yet, we're still getting this kind of, hey, yesterday we heard it is clear, yet a few weeks ago we had two commissioners and Pierce and Roisman saying, a letter, and I'll quote, they said a decided lack of clarity for market participants around the application of the securities laws to digital assets and their trading. So to me, one of the elephants in the room is we can't keep saying it is clear and then trying to make it clear through enforcement. You see other G20 markets like the UK, like Japan, like Switzerland, like Singapore, who have been proactive and engaged. And that has helped these markets thrive in those countries. If the US wants to be a leader in this space, then we need to provide that clarity and not act like there is clarity.
As what you heard from Brad Garlinghouse, it's like United States need to step up their game, give crypto clarity, give XRP clarity, so United States can be the leader in technology. So with this, why is Ripple staying in the United States? CEO Brad Garlinghouse explains. Amid this ongoing legal fight with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission and the regulatory barrage on the broader cryptocurrency industry, Ripple's decision to keep its global headquarters in San Francisco might raise some eyebrows considering how much is at stake. CEO Brad Garlinghouse, who joined the Aspen Institute's virtual forum earlier today on video conference app Zoom, said that the distributed ledger company is already, to some degree, moving out of the States by hiring more people in other countries. Still, the chief executive claims that Ripple is not willing to give up on the U.S. just yet. Should we fully give up on the United States? I'm not willing to go there yet. Garlinghouse once again stressed that the U.S. is late to the party when it comes to cryptocurrency regulation, decrying the lack of clarity. However, he wants the U.S. to succeed since Ripple is an American company. Okay, so possible contenders in October 2020, less than 3 months before the SEC lawsuit hit the wires, Ripple co-founder Chris Larsen publicly revealed the company's plan to relocate its headquarters to a crypto-friendlier jurisdiction. Garlinghouse later confirmed those intentions because of his strong presence in Japan. The land of the rising sun emerged as the top contender. The United Kingdom, Switzerland, Singapore, and the UAE, where Ripple opened a regional headquarters in November, were also under consideration. Garlinghouse once again singled out these countries during his appearances at the Aspen Institute Forum. Family. And then also in early March, Larson said that Ripple was committed to San Francisco, ending speculation about Ripple parting ways with the United States. Family. Obviously, Brad Garlinghouse and Chris Larson sees what's going on. They're basically, the SEC is they're basically lacking, and they're taking their time, and they're just making like a little argument over something, like they're prolonging time. Okay, they need to go ahead and get back on the ball game and roll with this here. And this is not just for XRP. This is all for other digital assets as well. I'm telling you right now, United States is preparing for something, but the United States is not known for not being the top leader. Okay, it is going to be the leader, and they know XRP is going to be the main cryptocurrency that they're going to hold. Okay, so I have a video coming up next. I'm going to play right now. But other than that, thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And you guys have a nice night.
$1 billion from cracking down on crypto tax evasion. But for investors who do pay their taxes, there is a potential upside. Now, to comply with the new rules, crypto exchanges like Coinbase or Binance will have to start producing tax forms known as 1099-Bs. So rather than having to calculate their own taxes, crypto holders will get an easy-to-read form that's also sent to the IRS. Now, in some cases, the rules could even help lower taxes. Crypto holders who use tax loss harvesting, that's where you take losses on money-losing crypto positions to offset gains, they will have much clearer records that right now, if you move crypto from one exchange to another, the exchanges don't provide any information on your cost basis. So that makes it a lot harder to track losses. The new rules will provide a detailed history of each crypto purchase or sale, even if you transfer the tokens. Bottom line here, the new rules will tell the government who is avoiding crypto taxes, but it could also help those who play by the rules. Imagine that, John, a tax code that rewards those who play by the rules.
I'll believe it when I see it. Robert Frank, does it reward them as much as those who kind of play by the letter of the rules but manage to find some loopholes? And it also seems like there's some opportunity here both for specialists to deal with the ultra-rich around crypto issues and maybe even for software. I don't know if you're hearing anything about that.
No question. I mean, there's a whole new cottage industry that's cropped up just in the last year, and I talked to a lot of them for this particular reporting, of tax advisors to crypto holders because it's complicated. As Gensler just said, the rules are a little amorphous right now. It's kind of the Wild West. So there is a brand new thriving business around taxes and crypto and investing.
Yeah, that's who wins no matter what. The people who are prepared to specialize in helping you pay as little as possible in the new thing. Robert, thanks.